What if I told you that websites which normally take teams of designers, developers, and weeks of work can now be created in just minutes using a single AI model?
Not simple landing pages, but cinematic, high-end digital experiences with animations, dashboards, search systems, and even full interactive platforms.
Today, I'm going to show you something that feels like a major shift in how the internet is built using Google's latest Gemini 3.5 Flash. And trust me, what it can do goes far beyond typical AI tools. In this video, we'll explore how Gemini 3.5 Flash is transforming the way websites and digital products are created. This model is not just about generating text quickly. It's built for speed, creativity, and deep visual understanding. What makes it truly powerful is its ability to work with multiple types of input at the same time. We take common files like documents, screenshots, datasets, and structured prompts and turn them into fully designed front-end experiences. Let's break it down with real examples. First, we take structured research material and upload it into NotebookLM. This includes wellness reports, luxury resort concepts, sustainability insights, and hospitality design references. Instead of starting from zero, we give Gemini real contextual knowledge to build from. Then, we move to Gemini 3.5 Flash and provide a highly detailed prompt describing a luxury wellness brand experience. We define everything from tone and visuals to layout structure and user experience. After processing this combined input, the model generates something far beyond a normal web page. We get a fully designed, immersive website featuring elegant typography, smooth transitions, layered visuals, and a premium aesthetic. Scrolling through the output reveals structured destination sections, wellness experiences, interactive dashboards with analytics-style components, and curated membership tiers. It doesn't feel like a basic AI page, it feels like a real branded digital product. Next, we remove all external sources and rely only on a carefully crafted prompt. This time, the goal is to generate a high-end real estate platform designed for global investors and luxury buyers. We ask for cinematic property showcases, investment insights, smart filtering systems, and interactive visuals. The result is impressive. Gemini generates a full homepage experience with large hero property displays, elegant branding, and smooth UI transitions. As you can see, the hero section features stunning property images and elegant branding that appear smoothly. The UI transitions are seen. As we move further, we see functional search filters, structured property listings, interactive maps, and even virtual tour sections. It also includes investment analytics and financial components like mortgage calculators, turning the design into a full working platform concept, not just a static layout. Now comes the most powerful demonstration. Instead of prompts or documents, we simply upload a screenshot of a real website interface. We ask Gemini to recreate the entire front-end experience based only on that image. This is where its multimodal understanding becomes extremely important. It analyzes layout structure, UI patterns, spacing, typography, and visual hierarchy directly from the screenshot. Then it rebuilds the entire interface from scratch. The output includes a fully functional style website layout with search tools, filters, property or content cards, interactive elements, and responsive design behavior. What makes this remarkable is that it doesn't just copy the look, it reconstructs the underlying design logic. What we've seen here is more than just AI-generated websites. It's a shift toward AI systems that understand design, structure, and user experience at a professional level. From research-based creation to prompt-driven platforms to full UI reconstruction from images, Gemini 3.5 Flash shows how fast digital product development is evolving. We are moving into a world where ideas don't need large teams or long timelines anymore. A single well-crafted prompt can now become a complete interactive experience. If you're working in content creation, web design, or digital products, this is the kind of tool that can completely change your workflow. And this is just the beginning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.